Okay. Yeah. Now start the VM.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Now copy this IP EMSTS. Okay. Paste it. Connect. Yes. Cloud admin. SharePoint at the rate of 1234. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now have a look. Just close. Close. Okay, we have installed Visual Studio 2022. Okay, just open the tool. Meanwhile, go ahead and verify app services. Yes, this is the app services which we have deployed in last session, right? Okay, yeah. Now open the Visual Studio 2022. Yeah, skip for now. Okay, continue without code. Okay, continue without code. Now have a look. Just go to File, New Project. Okay, look at my screen, New Project. Okay, here a filter. Actually, we are looking for what? C Sharp.net. This is for Windows. Next, this is type of web application. Okay, yeah. When I scroll down, see here we have many templates. Okay, one is ASP.NET web application. Okay, project templates creating ASP.NET web application. You can create ASP.NET web forms, MVC, web API applications, and add many more other features for ASP.NET. Now highlight it, click on next. So here application name, I am giving my TCS app. Okay, my TCS app. Okay, so here .NET framework I am using 4.7.2. You can also use it 4.8 latest version, that is up to you. Click on create. Okay, here I am choosing web forms. So you'll get the default some pages. From there we can develop our own application. Right? Now create. Okay, yeah, so this is the application, right? Now, before deploying into our app services, okay, try to test it out locally. Yes, test it out. Okay, yeah, it is running. See, this is the application loading. Yeah, see, application is loading. What is,
Sir, here by default different port number coming. Generally in the Java 8080 comes.
sorry?
In the Java, generally 8080 comes by default port number. We don't set any manually.
No, we are testing it locally, right? I
Okay,
have
no.
set the
Yeah.
application on top of web services. Okay, yeah, now this is the application. Now I want to publish into our web apps. How to publish into our web apps? See, this is the web application, my TCS app 2023. Now, how to publish into application is now navigate to virtual machine. Okay, now right click on publish. There is an option called publish. Okay, how we can publish? There is a different options. First thing is import profile. Read it out. Import your publish profile setting to deploy your application. Okay, now first thing, go ahead and download the publish profile. This is my web app. Here we have an option called, what is that? Download publish profile. Okay, this profile it contains one is application name, second one is username and password, third one is required application URL name. Okay, now just to download publish profile. So this is the publish profile. Open. Just to copy this publish profile. Okay, paste it into required virtual machine where exactly your Visual Studio has been installed. Okay, paste it. Now open Visual Studio, publish profile, browse. Just to select, go to desktop, highlight it. Okay, finish. Yes, it's done. Close. See, site URL, my TCS app 2023.azure website. Okay, I want do some settings. Click on show all settings. First thing is connection. See guys, this is the server name. Okay, this is the www root default path of IIS, username and password. Now validate the connection. Just it is checking the connectivity from our, what is that, application to app services. Okay, click on next. Here, see file publish option. If there are any application existing, that file should be removed and it should replace with new files. For example, if I go and access the application, try to access, okay, this is the web application. So whatever the files are there relevant to this, it should remove and replace with new files. Okay, select all existing files prior to publish. Yes, save it. Now, once these settings are completed, go ahead and click on publish. Okay, it is publishing.
So publishing means क्या what? Building the code also, like yeah, only the source code publishing.
Yeah. After building it, we are publishing into Azure. Okay, so go on to verify the status. See, publish successful. Okay, so 6 hours something, 2 hours 59 minutes. It has taken around 1 minute. Now go ahead and refresh this UI. See guys, I'm able to access. Okay, I'm picking in the trust. You can also. Okay, this is the pure ASP.NET application. This is pure ASP.NET application. For example, if you want to do some code settings, okay, if you want to do some code settings, for example, I want to change these titles. How can you do code settings? Navigate to your Visual Studio. Okay, there is a one option default.axbase. These are the quite common relevant to what is that coding part. Try to understand it. Okay, next, get started. Just go and verify where this content is there. Okay, this is the get started. What I will what I will do is I will change the coding part. So I am giving Microsoft Azure. Okay, first title. Okay, second title is libraries, right? This is the libraries. That's, yeah, get more libraries. This is it. Okay, here I am giving Microsoft 360. Okay, other thing is web hosting. Next, uh, Microsoft Copilot. I have updated. Just to save them and republish
The
it.
spelling is wrong. Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft spelling.
Okay, just save it, republish it. Okay. If you want to test it out locally, again test it out inside how the changes are happening. Yeah, Microsoft Azure, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Copilot. Yes, changes are there. Now, what I will do now, I will go and publish it. Okay, how to publish it? Very simple. Right click and publish. Okay, yes, publish it. Publish it. publishing content. Okay, publish it successfully. Now, go ahead and refresh.
Sir, it is only the front end code. Even the .NET code, .NET backend code will be there. You will do the same things like the publish.
Okay, what is that?
Hello.
Hello? Yeah, tell me. I can hear you.
Yeah. Like, see, this is the source code only. Suppose even if the backend code, like .NET code will be there, so we'll need to do some execution and need to some make the DLL file then publish. Or directly you can publish.
Yeah, same. How I am showing you, same thing. We can deploy the application.
Okay. But who is building the DLL file here?
A developer will take care about it.
No, I got the point. But here you are not making any DLL file. Suppose you are here currently, right, in the Visual Studio. Are you making?
Yeah, internally, when I try to deploy it, my code is going and going to web apps and sitting on top of WW root. Okay, here DLL concept is not coming to the picture in ASP.NET.
Okay.
Yeah. We had experience on development.
Yeah, I am Java developer, sir.
Yes, yes. Java development means you will make it like var file, right?
Yeah,
Here,
correct. Yeah.
.NET, nothing, everything we can publish.
Okay. There is nothing like a parallel concept like the war file, right?
No, no.
Okay.
Technologies are different, right?
Yeah,
If you
that's
go
why.
for Python extension, just it is PY, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, ASP.NET, this is the word solution that contain multiple applications. For example, I am going to create one page, my custom page. Add new, okay, new item. Show templates. Here I am choosing what? A web app with master page. So the name of the page is db.axpx. Click on it. Okay, yes, try to add it. Okay, this is all. Right now, if you want verify, click on it. For example, I want add one any control. Just open the toolbox. Loading. Standard something button. Okay, or else you can on calendar. Yeah, calendar. I have done. Yeah, I have added two pictures. So I have updated the code. Now when I go on design, see here you can see like this. Okay. Now I want publish this. Very simple. Right click. If you want test it out locally, yes, execute it locally. Okay, if it is functioning as your expectation, then go ahead and deploy into web app. Okay, slash db.axpx. Okay, so it is response. Fine. Now close it. Right click, publish. Okay. Okay, publishing folder. So publishing started. Yeah, it is publisher. Fine. Now, go ahead and refresh. Okay, this is the URL. Now slash dd.xds. See guys, my custom page is X. Okay, so this is how we can create one web application through Visual Studio and publish into app services. So far I have shown you how to publish the application, sorry, how to publish the application using portal, how to publish the application using WinSCP, how to publish the application using Visual Studio. Okay. So three ways we can publish applications into Azure DevOps. Okay. So yeah, publish the application using portal. It is very less. Okay. For developers, we have to support for developers to publish and give share the what is the download publish profile username and password. And how to publish the application using WinSCP. This is the standard. These two are standard. Publishing the application using portal, it is rarely used in the world. Okay. Next. Now, see, this is the
So your
Microsoft.
voice is sir, your voice is a little bit breaking. It's for everyone or it's for me only?
For me as well.
For me as well.
Is it? How is it now?
You're now fine, sir. Yeah.
It's clear. It's clear.
It's clear, right? Okay. Yeah. Now, see, this is the Microsoft provided default. What is that? DNS name. Am I right? My TCS app dot Azure website dot net. Okay. But I want provide custom name. Custom name in the sense you have to purchase the domain in GoDaddy. Next, map your custom domain into where is that? Azure Web Apps. Now, just go to GoDaddy. Just go to GoDaddy. Okay, here you can purchase the domain, whatever you want. Okay, for example, I want to purchase TCS.com. Okay, TCS.com already acquired by Tata organization. So it will say it won't be available. Okay, it is, see, domain has taken. Now, same way, SaiTechnologies.com. So hit enter. See, SaiTechnologies.com is around, this is the $10,000. Okay, $10,000. $10,000 in a sense around 7 lakhs. Okay, so like that, you have to purchase the domain. Already I have purchased the domain. This is my domain. So my domain is alimilitechnologies.com. So I have registered with my credentials. Just go to my products. Okay, see here we have domains. Now click on App Launcher Domains. See, this is my domain, guys. This is the one I have purchased. Okay, I have purchased with around 4,000 rupees alimilitechnologies.com. What is that? alimilitechnologies.com. Right now, I want access my application with my custom domain. How to register? Click on alimilitechnologies.com. in GoDaddy, not in my Azure portal. Okay, see guys, these are my address details. Okay, from where I have purchased it. Okay, so what is the privacy and all they will provide it. Now, see, click on DNS. Sorry, just click on aluminitechnologies.com. Okay, click on DNS. Okay, see, these are the records provided by GoDaddy provider. Actually, these are the DNS servers managed by GoDaddy. Okay, by default, when you purchase the domain, you will get all these server names. Now, I want register my custom domain with my application. Okay, how to do that? Have a look. Go to your Azure portal. There is a one option called custom domains.
So there only about 30 certificates.
Okay, custom domains. Now click on custom domains. See your application URL. IP address is 20.119.8.37. Am I right? Now I want to register my custom domain. Existing domain, this is the one and provided by Microsoft. Now add custom domain. Okay, yeah. Now type it. What is the domain name? www.aluminitechnologies.com. Okay, it is validated. See what it is saying is yes, it is there. Now try to validate. See what it is saying is yes, the domain is there but not being registered. Okay, domain is there but not being registered. So what should I do is I want to register this entry with GoDaddy. Okay, now navigate to GoDaddy. There is a one option, add new record. Okay, so type CNAME. CNAME means common name. What is the URL they have provided? www. Host name is www. Sorry. Yeah, host name is www. Okay, value of the URL. Value. So here name of the existing URL is this is the one. Copy and paste it. So it should be propagate half an hour. I am giving 600 seconds. 600 seconds means minimum, that is we have to give 10 minutes to propagate it. 600 seconds equal to 10 minutes. If I give like 300 seconds, it won't agree. Minimum it will say 600 seconds. Okay, it is not taking. Record data is invalid. So what I will do now, give 600 seconds. Save it. Okay, it is updated. Now quickly go and revalidate it. Still it is not been propagated. What it is saying, it can take up to 48 hours for record to change its effect. Nothing guys, we have provided 600 seconds, 100% it should reflect maximum 600 seconds. Revalidate it. Revalidate. Yeah, see, validation is passed. Okay, here also validation pass. Now, once validation is passed, just click on add it. Okay, see my custom domain has been added here. Okay, www.alumilitechnologies.com. Now here it is showing no binding, means it is not secure. If you want your application to be secure, then you have to purchase the SSL certificate. Okay, SSL certificate. That is again cost. We have to spend around 50,000 for this SSL certificate per annum. Okay, so let it be. Now I am going to access my application with www.alumilitechnologies.com. See, www.alumilitechnologies.com. My application should be respond. See guys, I am pinging in the chat. You can also access it. So, based on your requirement, you have to go and purchase the domain in GoDaddy and register Microsoft provided default entries with GoDaddy. Okay, and it will take some time to effect. So once it is done, you people can access your application with your custom domain name. Okay, so as a given, www.alumilitechnologies.com. I hope you are able to access, right, guys?
Yes, sir, I am able to access.
Yes, you are able to access it. So if you want test it out, you people try to purchase it in GoDaddy. I hope you know, right? GoDaddy. Everyone. If you
Yes, sir.
open any YouTube video, first ad is GoDaddy related ad itself.
Sorry, but in the
Okay.
URL, it's
Yeah,
already
so this
come
is the
as.
popular third party.
Hello.
Sorry. Yeah.
But in the URL, it's already coming as HTTPS. It's already SSL enabled, correct? Now?
Yeah, it is SSL. Inbuilt, they will provide limited time. Later, you have to purchase it.
Okay, okay. Just for like testing purpose, they provided secure. After some time, it will be like HTTP, correct?
Yeah, HTTP. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Next, this is about what? How to manage our custom domain for our application. Okay.
Sir, can you go to Azure portal, please?
So try to purchase it one domain.
Hello.
Sorry.
Can you go to
Hello?
Azure portal?
Yeah.
Sir, in this IP ID is static or how it is, sir?
Yeah, this is permanent static, guys. They will maintain.
Okay. Suppose if I restart my VM, so this will change, right?
Where VM will concept will come into the picture here.
Okay. But IP ID will not affect, right? Even if I restart
Yeah.
and all.
Here there is no VM concept, right? These are all about PaaS services.
Okay.
Microsoft internally managing these static IPs. You need not worry about these IPs at this moment. When
Okay.
you are deploying the application on top of the virtual machine, yes, you have to take care all of these things.
Sure, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, this is about what? How to deploy the application using Visual Studio and how to manage the custom domain. Okay, fine. Now, I would like to perform backup and restore operations for app services. For example, this is the application code, original application code. Now I want to trigger the backup. If sometimes your application got crashed or someone deleted accidentally, okay, that case we will able to recover it. Right now, how can you recover that application? First thing, go and create one storage account to perform backup activity. Okay, first thing, go to storage account. Okay, yeah, navigate to containers. I'm going to create container I said, right, backups are unstructured data. We can use container. I can say app backup. Just I am giving container name app backup, create it. Okay, yes, navigate to app services, my TCS app. There is a one option backups here under settings, backups. Click on backups. Okay, here are configure custom backups. Okay, see by default, choose your relevant, what is the storage account name. So I am choosing my storage 2023-0101. So what is the container that we have created just now? App backup, right? Select app backup. Schedule the backup. See guys, every day, what is that? Every day from tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow onwards, every day, midnight 12 o'clock. I'm giving the timestamp. Okay, my backup should be fixed. Okay, is it local time or UTC time? That is up to you. So these backups by default you can maintain for 60 days. You can mention 365 days. It is taking out of range. Okay, 364 days it is taking out of range. So keep your backups for up to 60 days or enter infinitely. If I give 0, so backups would be available forever. Okay, anytime we can do that. Not required. So I am giving 60 days. Okay, so old backups would be deleted once they got expired. Right now, just okay, backups are updated. Now, what will happen now from tomorrow midnight 12 o'clock onwards? Backups will be triggered automatically. What is that? Backups will be triggered automatically. Okay, I cannot wait till midnight 12 o'clock. So I would like to trigger the backup manually. Okay, at this moment. Can I do that? Yes. There is a one option called backup now. The backup is in progress. Here, if you observe, here backup is in progress. So these backups will go and sit on top of what is that? App backup containers of storage account. Okay, each app backup, it will create 3 files. How many files, guys? 3 files. One is .xml, which will store about application information. Second thing is .log file, like is there any backup file? Okay, is there any pages which are unable to backed up? That information stored in .log file. Okay, third file is .gif. Okay, the .gif, it contain original application data. So if your application corrupted or someone deleted accidentally, so the .gif file has to be restored. Okay, yeah, let it be. It will take some time. Let us wait for a couple of minutes. Meantime, take the duplicate tab. Okay, take the duplicate tab. Navigate to storage account. Let us see whether backup is initiated or not. We are still in progress. Okay, go to containers, app backup. See guys, 3 files have been initiated. 3 files have been initiated. One is .log file, other one is .xml, .gif. So .gif, it contain original data. Okay. So still backup is in progress. Let us wait. Just it will take a couple of minutes, not more than that.
Sir, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Uh, 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 can we install Windows Server locally and shall we publish install Visual Studio Code and publish the rules? Is it possible, sir?
Sorry, Silvers, come again.
We install Windows Server locally and we can install Visual Studio and publish whatever the thing you've done in Azure. Shall we do it locally?
Yes,
And
in local also you can publish it. Yes.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now go on to refresh. See, still it is in progress. Yeah, just now it is succeeded. Let us verify. Okay, see it is succeeded. Fine. Now what I will do now, just to go to app. Okay, now I'm going to delete it. See, I'm able to access the what? Application with my custom domain. Now what I will do now, I will go on delete it. Okay, how to delete the application? Now just navigate to, what is that? Advanced tools, go. Okay, yeah, so go to PowerShell. Okay, site, www root. See, these are all the application files. What I will do now, I will go and delete it. Okay, I have deleted everything. Now, if I go on the refresh, see, you'll get an error. See, so why? Because application files have been deleted. Can you restore it back now? Sir, no, guys. Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
can restore it. How to restore it? Navigate to backups. There is a backups. There is a one option called restore. Okay, just click on restore in the menu. Okay, there is a one option called what? Restore. Now choose the source. Source is storage. Storage account name is what? My storage 2023-0101. The container name is app backup. Okay, see, even though there are three files, just it is appearing .zip file. Okay, so it contains original application data. Right now, this is the current application. Right, this is my current application. Okay, now if there are any domains advanced options, ignore it. I want go this application sits on top of my URL. Now click on restore. Say restoration is in progress. It's also will take couple of minutes. Okay, yeah, let us go and verify. Refresh one time. So I am opening two windows, okay, to manage both. Apart from that, nothing. Again, double check. Go to restore. Okay, yeah, storage backup. Select storage account. Select the container. Okay, this is the file. Your application. Resource. Restore it. See, when I try to do that background, that process is in progress. App service failed. Restoration my TCS app 2023 cannot modify this site because another process is in progress. Already previously submitted request is in progress at backend. Okay, now you people can go ahead and refresh here itself. See guys, now data is in place. Okay, site www root. See, data is back to the place. Am I right? Now go ahead and refresh. See, application is accessible. Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Office 360, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so this is how we can perform backup and restore operations for app services. So if you observe, this is pure ASP.NET application. Now I want establish the connection from these app services to what? Database. Okay, then if there is a data in backend database server, so how we can retrieve the data and display into our front-end application, that is ASP.NET. Okay, how to create the SQL server, how to create the database, how to establish the connection between application to database, that all we will finish it in next session. Tomorrow I am going to show you how to create one database and how to insert the data, then how we can retrieve the data from SQL server to app services. Okay, that we'll see next session. Clear? So if possible, try to purchase the domain, okay, and try to map it. In real time, anyhow, domain purchasement will be taken care by, what is that? Your organization itself. Okay, they will give you authorized permission to you, so where you can map. Now I am going to delete this custom domain. How to delete the custom domain? Just under settings, just go to custom domain. Okay, just highlight your custom domain, 3 dots, delete binding. Delete binding. Delete custom domain. Yes. Refresh one time. So there is some backup activity is going on. Let it be. Okay. Yeah. So after 5 minutes, we will able to delete this custom domain. Just highlight, click on it, delete. Okay. Yeah. It will take a couple of minutes. We can delete it, guys. No worries. Okay. Yeah, so this is about what? App service history. Try to practice it. In next session, we will discuss about how to create Microsoft Azure SQL Server. Okay, what is the difference between on-premises SQL Server and Azure SQL Server? That we'll see in next session. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks, sir.